Hello students, let us start with the new topic of arrays. Number 1, how to enter elements from user side, then display the elements. Number 3, add these elements. Number 4, then find average of these elements. Suppose this one is the target. Void main, then declaration of array. Suppose I declare the limit of 10 to access the elements. I is required to enter the number of elements. N is required to find the sum. Sum is equal to 0. This one is required. Then to calculate the average, AV is required. Suppose these are the variables. Then printf, enter how many elements or you can write enter the count of elements. Enter the count less than 10. Then scanf percentage %d, then ampersand n, then printf, enter percentage %d elements. Suppose I enter 7, it means enter 7 elements. To enter the elements, we have to use for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Then scanf is required here, percentage %d, ampersand AI. It is the entry of elements. Let's execute the program. Enter the count. Suppose I enter 4 here, enter 4 elements, 2, 3, 1 and 4. These are the entry of elements. Now suppose I have to display these elements. Entered elements are in the new line. Then again I have to use for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus. Here I have to apply printf statement because I have to print the contents. Percentage %d, then AI. To enter the element, I have to use ampersand sign with scanf, but for printing the statement, I have to use only AI. Now again execute the program. Suppose I enter 5 here, 6, 1, 7, 8, 3. Entered elements are. Now entry of elements from user side, then entered elements, then display of the elements. Now the third target is to add these elements. Again use for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, then sum is equal to sum plus ai. Now what is the meaning of this? In first step, the sum is equal to 0. It means here sum is equal to 0 plus first element. Then sum will become the addition of 0 and first element. Then again we can add the second element. Then third element and up to so on. 0 to n minus 1 means if there are 5 elements, it means 0 to 4. 0 to 4th location, up to 0 to 4th location we can add all the elements. Now printing is required. Printf in the new line, sum of percentage d elements. Here you can write n and then sum is equal to percentage d. First percentage d is for n and second percentage d is for sum. The last step is calculation of average. Average of percentage d elements is equal to percentage d, or you can write percentage f here, then n, and here you can write average av and calculate here av is equal to, you have to convert this into float, then sum divided by n. Percentage you can write here 0.2, means up to 2 point of decimal. Let's execute the program now. Enter the count. Suppose I enter 4 here. First is 3, 7, 1 and 9. 3, 7, 1, 9, 20. Average of 4 elements 0.00. Let us check. Float is equal to sum divided by n. Let's modify the program. Average is equal to 0.2f. Suppose I write here float, then sum divided by n. Suppose this one is not required, then execute the program. Enter the elements 3, 11, 21 and 45. Now it's okay. Sum of the 3 elements is equal to 77 and average is equal to 25.67. I repeat the program again. First step is how to enter the elements from user side with the help of for loop, and inside for loop you can use scanf. It means you can enter the elements, desired number of elements can be entered. Then display the elements. For displaying purposes you can again apply for loop. Then for adding you have to declare sum as 0, then sum is equal to sum plus ai. Then the calculation of average, simply you have to do the division operation, sum divided by n, and you have to convert this value into floating value, that is typecasting, and up to 2 point of decimal you can display the value here, 2f. Hope you understand the content of applying this value, means how to enter the element from the user side, then displaying of elements and addition of all the elements, then find the average of these elements. Thanks for watching my video.